That's why in today's video, we'll be sharing the top 5 cybersecurity tips for safe internet browsing. By following these easy steps. Step 1. Install antivirus software. The first step towards securing your device against any malware is to install trustworthy antivirus software. This software will regularly scan your device for malicious files and alert you if it detects any. Step 2. Keep your software updated. Software updates often contain vital security patches that address any vulnerabilities that could potentially be exploited by cybercriminals. Therefore, it's essential to ensure that all software on your device is updated regularly. Step 3. Use strong passwords. Avoid using common and easy-to-guess passwords when signing up for online accounts. Instead, use strong, unique passwords that contain a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. You can also consider using a password manager to store all of your passwords securely. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, provides an additional layer of security by requiring users to enter a unique code or use biometric authentication before logging into an account. This feature is available on most platforms and is highly recommended to use for securing your online accounts. Step 5. Browse using a VPN. Finally, using a virtual private network, VPN, can help protect your online privacy by encrypting your internet traffic and masking your IP address. This will prevent hackers and other third parties from intercepting your data. These were our top 5 cybersecurity tips for safe internet browsing. By applying these steps, you can protect your device and keep your online activities secure. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.